do you believe you were impeding this investigation?
Absolutely not. It was other customers coming in. It was me out there, and the reason why they spotted me is just because I was videotaping.
I need to see your ID, sir.
For what? I haven't committed no crime.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's video was submitted by Lawrence Newell, who was filming the arrest of an unknown individual in Highland Park. The video is only 2 short clips, but are of great significance. While he was filming, a 9-year veteran of the department spotted him from a considerable distance away and approached.
No, I'm getting this on film.
That's the end of clip 1, with the officer asking Newell if he was familiar with the 18th Amendment and how it says that you can't film, and then it cuts off. It can be assumed that the officer may have been suggesting that the 18th Amendment says that you can't film cops, or something equally ridiculous. The 18th Amendment was proposed in 1917, and while the first video was filmed in 1888, the silent era wasn't popular until the 1920s, and would have likely never created a controversy popular enough to create an amendment. Not to mention, the amendments were supposedly written to protect citizens' civil rights and liberties from being violated by the government, not the other way around, which is weird when considering the 18th Amendment established the prohibition of alcohol, later to be repealed by the 21st Amendment. What civil rights and individual liberties were protected by prohibiting alcohol? That's a good question for Rockefeller, but I digress. Back to the story. The unknown officer approaches Mr. Newell.
Police was just done.
Say what?
Now I have to direct my attention to you. I need to see your ID, sir.
For what? I haven't committed no crime.
The final video clip cuts out there, but the officer detains Mr. Newell for over 40 minutes and lectured him about impeding an investigation and why you shouldn't film officers. I will now counter the officer's terrible lessons to Mr. Newell and tell you that you should absolutely film every encounter, not only with law enforcement, but with any state actor you come into contact with. The next morning, Newell filed a complaint with the department, and the officer is under investigation.
I went to the city hall in the city of Highland Park, and I filed a complaint the next morning. I took off work to do that.
We want to make sure that we investigate that thoroughly because we don't tolerate that kind of behavior.
He's a good officer. He's had some problems, but I don't want to prejudice the investigation.
It's currently unclear whether he intends to file a lawsuit, but if he did, it would be an almost certain win. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.